You might have seen flashy ads online claiming that Boost TRT Gummies can boost testosterone, increase size, and deliver hours-long results, sometimes even showing fake endorsements from celebrities like Dr. Barbara O'Neill, but the reality is much murkier than the marketing suggests. These gummies are surrounded by controversy, with multiple red flags that you should be aware of before even considering a purchase. First, the celebrity promotions are not real. They use AI deepfakes, which is already a warning sign. Second, there's a lack of clear ingredient transparency and no standardized dosage information, making it difficult to know what you're actually putting into your body. The product claims to be clinically tested, but there's no research or evidence provided to support these statements, and their FDA disclaimer even contradicts the promises made in the ads. Additionally, purchasing the product can be frustrating, as the official website redirects you through multiple pages before allowing checkout, which can feel misleading and complicated. Many of the bold claims about increasing size and stamina are exaggerated, and while some users might notice mild effects simply due to the placebo effect, there's nothing guaranteed or clinically proven. On the other hand, the gummies aren't inherently harmful for most healthy adults, but the lack of transparency and false advertising should make anyone cautious. Overall, if you're curious and still want to try Boost TRT Gummies, you can find the link to buy in the video description, but it's important to approach with realistic expectations and be aware of the marketing tactics behind it. This is one of those products where the hype is much louder than the actual results, and understanding the full picture can save you time, money, and disappointment.